Hi guys, welcome back to the channel TurboTrail. So in this video, we are going to see about a technology which we use every day in our mobile phone as well as in our PC. So it is nothing but GPU. So what is a GPU? So everybody might have come across the term GPU. So GPU can be abbreviated as graphics processing unit. So graphics processing unit. So it is not a CPU, which makes things clearer. So CPU is nothing but heart of your computer. So whatever computations we do in our computer is done by CPU. But GPUs are not a CPU because GPUs are capable of performing specialized tasks in a dedicated manner. So from the name you can clearly say that graphics processing unit. So these processing units are capable of processing graphics. So graphics is nothing but rendering images on your screen. So like for example, to give a little bit of perspective, everybody has played games on your PC as well as mobile phone. So a normal physical human eye is capable of rendering or capable of seeing at a rate of 25 frames per second. So anything above 25 frames per second looks like a continuous smooth motion to our eye, like human eye. So in order to achieve that, the games we play on our mobile phone as well as desktop has to be rendered at a rate of 30 to 60 frames per second in order for us to see a smooth graphics. So that is how we can achieve a smooth graphics. So for this process, each and every pixel on your screen has to be updated 30 times in a second. So it has to, for example, if you are playing a game and the game landscape has to be updated on your screen like 30 as in order of 30 to 60 frames per second so that you can achieve a smooth gaming. So this is how complex computation work is done by a graphics processing unit. And graphics processing unit is also capable of providing a large throughput. So it is capable of processing these computations in a parallel manner, so it can provide large throughput, so it can produce smooth graphics. So in order to give you a background about GPU, everybody knows a software called DirectX which we install in our desktop. So DirectX is nothing but a graphics API. So these graphics APIs provide a platform through which we can through which we can program and we can make our GPUs perform complex tasks like 3D rendering in a simple manner. So these graphics APIs are used by game developers in order to achieve like maximum utilization of your graphics processing unit, whichever is available in your system. So OpenGL is popularly used in Android mobile phones. So OpenGL is a graphics API which is used in Android mobile phones. So there are other popular APIs, graphics APIs, which includes Vulkan API. Hope you have came across that name. So as I already mentioned earlier, GPUs are also available on mobile phones. So in the advancements in technology, nowadays we are able to play PC-like games in our mobile phones, like PUBG, Asphalt, Call of Duty, etc. So nowadays the CPU manufacturers, mobile CPU manufacturers, are also including integrated GPUs in their system on chip. So in our channel, we have posted several videos about Snapdragon processors. So whenever we explain the Snapdragon processor, we might have came across a term called Adreno GPU. So Adreno is the name of the GPU used in Qualcomm's Snapdragon chipsets. So other GPUs include PowerVR and Mali, which is developed by ARM. So these integrated GPUs in mobile phones are very power efficient because it is a mobile device. So as I already mentioned earlier, these GPUs are capable of performing complex mathematical computations with a to high throughput. High throughput is nothing but like it can perform a lot of instructions or computations per second. So using this characteristics of GPU, we can do something called GPU computing. So in the recent trend nowadays is that the people are mainly concentrating on GPU computing. So GPU computing, for example, GPU computing is used in Bitcoin mining. So everybody who has came across Bitcoin mining, these GPU stacks are used in your devices for to achieve like to solve mathematical hashes to mine a Bitcoin. So apart from this, GPUs are also nowadays used in deep learning because deep learning involves a lot of matrix like computations. So these GPUs are also used in those deep learning applications. So in order to give you a picture, like this is a TPU. TPU is nothing but a GPU which is named as Tensor Processing Unit, developed by Google for deep learning applications. So this is how important a GPU is nowadays, and there has been a special branch called GPU computing. So in order to get to know more about these topics, I have provided few links in the description below. Check those links. So hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you have any comments, please post them below. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to post them below as well. So thank you. Have a great day.